Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take off a Kia Optima bumper. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Next, safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Then, remove the front wheels to gain better access to the fender liner. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's tackle the fender liner. Carefully detach it by removing the plastic clips and screws that hold it in place. Next, move to the undercarriage of the vehicle. You'll find several bolts securing the bumper there. Remove these using your ratchet. Remember to keep all removed fasteners organized, perhaps in a small container, to make reassembly much easier. With the fender liners and undercarriage bolts handled, open the hood. Remove the clips and screws located along the top edge of the grille. Before fully detaching, disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or sensors. Finally, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, releasing the remaining side clips. Take your time to avoid damaging paint or components. For the final step, it's highly recommended to have a helper. They can support the bumper as you fully detach it, preventing any accidental drops or damage. Once removed, place the bumper on a soft, clean surface like a blanket to protect its finish. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.